how to change the default phone app on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here's to click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. You will see apps is here, so click on apps. Now here's to click on choose default apps. So after click on choose default app, click on phone app. Now here's the second app, phone app is showing here. So if you want to change default app, so click on phone app. So after click on phone app, you will see your default app is changed. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can change the default phone app on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.